G'day people, let's have a look at Clickbait Pays. Today I'm going to upgrade to level 3. Now this is my current balance, $213. I have earned 623 since the 9th of June. And here you can see the referral earnings, the current balance available, it's not available. But these are from the 2 active campaigns. Up until now I have completed 5 level 2 campaigns, and both of these last 2 paid out today. You can see that 31 July 2026. This is the one that I've started on level 2. I started on the 9th of June. You can see that. Level 1 I started on Sunday, so my level 1 and level 2 activation fee has been paid. Remember, you only pay activation fee once off. That's 10% of the level cost. So today we have enough funds in our available balance to upgrade to level 3. So we're going to purchase that level 3, and then the target is to get to level 4 as soon as possible. So remember, you have to activate it first, but first you need to buy it and then you will activate the level. Alright, so buy this ad campaign. We have enough in the balance available. So if you do not have enough, you can always top up, and then you're just going to make a deposit. That's going to take you to now payments, and then you just complete the deposit, and then you can upgrade to any level. Right, you have to add the ad. So this is the ad I'm adding: Extreme Matrix, earn BNB here with a low entry and a fast flow. So you can also have a look. You can advertise any platform on here. It just needs to be legal, obviously. Right, so that is it. You can preview it. I'm previewing it now, so it looks fine. Then I'm going to go back there. I'm going to confirm the purchase. Yes, I am sure. Level 3. Yes, I am sure. And then you'll get this notice to activate. Remember, only the first time that you buy a level, you need to pay the activation fee. So yes, activate now. Then you can see per click you are going to receive $5.40 on level 3. Already almost double what you get on level 2. Right, and then confirm activation. Yes, I'm sure, and this is going to be $15. Right, and then you can start clicking. So there you can see it now. Clicks remaining today, $55. 3. Oh, that's the active campaign. So yes, this level 3. Let us do those clicks. So I already did those 2. So now come on. Level 1, 2 and 3 is active now. So level 3 starting today, you will receive $5.40 and you've got 3 clicks. Let's start that. Each level has got its own advertisements. So you're just going to open up the ad. It opens up in a new tab, and you can watch these videos. You can join these platforms. It is up to you if you want to join them. This is also how your ads are going to get views and promoted. So there you earn. Today that's my first $5.40, and then I'm going to click on the ad, open the ad. Right, so this is basically what you need to do, and be patient. Each ad runs for 15 seconds, and then you can confirm and earn, or claim it basically. Right, and then the last one. You can also read here, they're telling you that before you start, please be aware that ads open in a new tab, as you can see at the bottom. Right, so scroll down and press on open ad. If it doesn't want to open like that now, just uh, just go back one and press on it again, and then it will open. Right, so as I said, you do not have to join these platforms. It's your choice, but this is what others will see for your ad on different levels. Right, so there's 4, 3, 2, 1, and you confirm and earn, and then that's it for the day. So you completed, earned $16.20 for the day, and that will happen for 12 days. You can see this is the first day now. Right, so after 12 days, it will go into holding period for 7 days. And then on day 19th, that will be released to your available balance. And then you can decide what you want to do with those funds. Right, as I said, we are going to reach level 4, and then we'll start to work with that money there. So current balance 48, and you can see the 623 in just under 2 months by starting on a level 2. And yes, that is basically what it is. 5 level 2 campaigns completed already and paid out. Activated level 1, level 2 and level 3. These activations are active. There's no expiration date on them. So that is it. If you want to start your journey in ClickBaitPay, kindly reach out to the person that sent you this or contact me. The description will have all the contact details. Thank you. And please take note, this is not financial, legal, tax or crypto advice. Please do your own research or ask if you do not understand. Thank you very much. Bye bye.